Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at GlocalMe Duo Turbo. Now basically this is an internet modem. Inside of the box we will find only one cable, which is type A on one side and type C on the other. This is the modem and the user manual. This is the device. Here on the top we have the SIM slot, the power button. On the bottom we have the Type-C port. Sides are clean. This device has a 2.4-inch display and a battery of 3500 mAh, which can last up to 12 hours, and you can connect up to 10 devices with this modem. If we go here on data usage SSD, basically we get the wireless name, which we can edit, and the password. Now this is the 12 Pro Max for a size comparison, or even better, this is an iPhone 6S. Let's do the size comparison with the 6S. It's almost the same size, but it's slightly thicker. Yeah. Now, as I was saying, we can modify the name here and just open Wi-Fi on our phone, and as you can see, I am connected just like that. It's very easy actually. This device comes with an eSIM pre-installed, which works on, I believe, 140 countries. But we also have the option to just pop a SIM in there for, let's say, cheaper mobile data. You can scan this QR code and download the app. It's available on Play Store and App Store. We have data usage protection, meaning that we cannot do automatic updates on our devices, automatic cloud syncs, etc. I would recommend you leave this enabled. If we decide to use this device with a SIM card, we should turn on this setting here. We have 4 languages here, but the only language that I understand is English. We can connect it with the Wi-Fi to make an update. Battery protection, always leave this on. And here on about we have the device information. Now that is pretty much it. This device is a recommendation if you are a traveler and you don't want to be swapping SIM cards all the time, because you might be in a different country, you might need a different SIM card. This device will cover your needs and provide you with fast internet. The price of this device, it's $179 US. You will find the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.